How to buy Balenciaga on Pandabuy. Buying Balenciaga on Pandabuy involves several steps. Visit the Pandabuy website or launch the Pandabuy app on your device. Browse through the available Balenciaga products or use the search function to find the desired item. Select the Balenciaga product you wish to purchase by clicking on it. Check the product details, including size, color, and price. Click on the Add to Cart or Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. Review the items in your cart and make any necessary adjustments. Proceed to the checkout page and fill in your shipping address and payment details. Select your preferred payment method, such as credit, debit card, PayPal, or other available options. Review your order summary, including the total amount due and shipping details. Confirm your purchase by clicking on the Place Order or Confirm Purchase button. Once confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email or notification, and your Balenciaga purchase will be processed and shipped to your provided address. That's it. Thanks for watching.